Hey guys, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning, and for today's video I've got a brand new collection to share with you, as well as an exciting new announcement that I'm so happy about. So stick around and get all the juicy details. Okay, let's jump right into this with my exciting new announcement. It is official. I am joining the CHQ family as a new guest creator, and that all starts with my brand new August catalog that's going to come out this Sunday, so just a couple days away. And it's themed around my brand new collection, the Chic Coffee Lover collection. So in today's video, I'm going to give you kind of like a little teaser of the sticker book that's going to be coming out in this new catalog, and then some of the other things in the collection that I just can't wait to share with you. So let's get to planning. Okay, so I almost forgot. There is a blog post that came out on Wednesday about all the details on what CHQ is and all the different creators. These are the creators that founded CHQ, and they're wonderful ladies with great shops, and I'm so excited to join them in this membership community of creative people. So, okay, now let's get to planning. Okay, so for this daily spread, I'm working in my Undated Deluxe Dragonfly Planner, and this is the sticker set that I'm using. This is the Chic Coffee Lover big sticker book, lots and lots of stickers in here. And this will be one of the many pieces that's going to be part of my August catalog for CHQ, and it matches the brand new collection in my shop. So there's a planner and mini sticker kits, accessories, all kinds of things. So I love this collection. Love it. So excited. So I'm starting out with this coffee graphic, and then I'm going to grab this just a colored box that's going to be for notes. And I'm a stickler for these little details, so I lined it up with the dot grid on this page. And then I'm going to grab one of these little notes up here, this for a project that I'm making, that I can make notes about. And this spread that we're looking at is from July 4th. So I was in the process of designing this whole coffee collection. Most of it was already done, but I was still, testing it out. That's one of the fun parts about creating new collections, is I get to test them out before they go to the shop. So that's what I was doing with this spread. One of my favorite things is some of the washies and the glitters, because digital glitter is just so much better than real life glitter, because it's no mess and all the sparkle. So had to throw some glitter in there. And I tried to move the sticker, but it stretched out, so you just undo if that happens. And it just fits perfectly with the colors of this box, and I love it. So this is the mini sticker kit bundle. This one's in my shop, and so it matches the whole collection. And I'm gonna grab this cute little macaroon washi strip that I just love these little cookies. They're just so cute. And I'm going to use the image tool so that I can just resize it, stretch it out to cover up that line up there. And then I want to grab a day sticker to go along with it. There's two different versions of day stickers in that sticker book. So I'm grabbing one of those to go with it. And then I'm going to grab one of these fun coffee quotes because, you know, we're coffee lovers for this collection. So coffee, a hug and a mug. How cute is that, right? Little coffee stain. Love it. Okay. And then I'm going to grab this lined circle sticker, and I'm going to use my trick of cropping it down so I get a straight edge on one side, and I can size it and line it up with the edge of the page. And then I just want to cut and paste that coffee sticker so it goes on top of it. If you're working in a note shelf, then you would just tell it to go to the top. And then I'm going to grab the pen tool under the actual shape tool because I cannot draw straight lines. It's just not happening. And I'm just going to outline these little areas. And the fun thing about using the shape tool is that you can just draw it and then adjust it to be where you need it to be. So I want to just kind of like jazz up this little to-do list area. So I'm going to grab some more glitter because glitter. And I'm going to layer this up with a to-do list header that you can find on this page. And I'm going to grab it up at the top. And I'm just going to layer those up. And the colors for this collection, it's black and brown and cream and just very latte-ish type of thing going on. And more cookies because, I mean, we're just working with the cookies here. So I tested out using the image tool to stretch it, but I did not like how these cookies looked stretched. They just weren't as cute to me. So I just undo to get it back to that square shape. And I'm going to resize it so that it keeps that same proportion and fills in that space. And then I'm just going to go over here to the mini kit set, and I'm going to pull this solid color brown, this dark brown, and just size it up to fill in that space next to it so that I keep that same box that's aligned with the sections above it, but I don't have to stretch out my cookies because they're just too cute and they just didn't look right all stretched out. So now to add more sparkle, because who doesn't love sparkle, I'm going to grab this little rose gold sparkly flag, and it just makes a cute little area down there at the bottom that I just really like. But the more I look at this, I did not like it off to the side, so I'm going to stretch this out a little bit and recenter this so that it just, sometimes I like things, you know, off center and a little asymmetrical, but for this I did not. So I had to fix that. And I decided to make this stand out a little more, so I just outlined it with that same color but a smaller pen, just so it kind of stands out a little bit more from the washi, because we've got two patterns going on, which is okay sometimes. You don't want to, I mean, sometimes patterns, just don't mix them, but other times, yes, let's do it. And so this top section of this page, I kind of think of this as like the top 3 priorities. So instead of writing that, I decided to use one of my top 3 stickers, and I played around with stretching it, and I didn't want to use that color, so I thought, let's go with the lighter color. And then instead of stretching it, I'm going to use the image tool and crop it, and just crop some of that down and then stretch it just like the little bit. Because I didn't want to like squish my words and make them look really weird. And so I turned off image selection so I can just grab that handwriting of the pen that I used and paste it on top so that it kind of like, you know, it's a little more even. And then just resize this just a little bit to get it how I want it. And then I like that look. I think that look works. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. I am just loving these stickers. So I'm going to grab just some plain headers to go over here. I thought about plain, and then I thought, no, let's grab this one up here that's got notes. So I can use this little area as, I decided to use it for sort of like a journaling section at the end of it, and stick around at the end of the video. I'm going to show you like the after of how it came together at the end of the day. But I think this notes is really nice, but I want to cut this and paste it so it goes back on top of that instead of being stuck underneath it, because I still want to be able to write in my little project box. So just layer things up, cut and paste to get what you want. But then I felt like there was something missing on that notes bar, so I'm just looking for some little element that will give it a little bit of color, a little bit of something. And these mini kits have a lot of decorative and functional pieces. So I grabbed like this little paint swipe type of sticker, and I'm just gonna layer that up. And I just really love how that looks. I played around with moving the glitter, but then decided, no, let's keep a little space in between there. So I liked that better. Oh, I love it. It's simple and it's delightful. I thought I was done, but then I decided, nope, let's add the date up here because I realized I didn't have the date anywhere. So I decided to add this with text because, as you saw, my handwriting is not pretty. So I played around with some different fonts and decided to go with this one and size it up. I don't like to use the lasso tool to resize text because GoodNotes has a tendency to kind of like angle things in a weird way that I don't like when you resize like that. But there you go. I love it. And here is the after. Don't forget to sign up for CHQ so you can get these stickers with my new catalog. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.